Hello and welcome to a new episode of Greenberry's Garden. If you are planting a lot of plants for use in your apartment or in your house, you probably have used some flower pots for that. Maybe you've also put your flower pot into your beautiful planter. But what if not? What if you have actually purchased a lot of black flower pots for all your plants? You probably have noticed already that black pots can kill your plants if you leave them in direct sunlight for too long. But why is that? Well, it really makes a difference whether you're using a fully black pot or a colored pot. Black absorbs all visible light and does not reflect anything back like other colors. Likewise, a white pot reflects all of the light that it gets. Of course, this does not mean that white pots in the sunlight will stay cool, but they will not get nearly as hot as black pots. And black flower pots are usually quite cheap. But is there a way to fix our flower pots easily so that we can use them in direct sunlight without killing our plants? Well, yes, there is. And it is even a very ecological solution. You can actually shield your black flower pots from direct sunlight by using corrugated cardboard. This not only shields your pot from direct sunlight, it also insulates the pot through the air between the two cardboard layers. So it is somewhat like a planter. First up, let's see the results. Then I'm going to show you how you can do that for free. So, I have put two flower pots in direct sunlight, one normal black pot made from plastics and the same one but shielded with corrugated cardboard. They've been in the sun for quite a while, so let's now check the temperatures. As you see, the soil inside the unshielded black pot is a lot warmer than in the insulated one. Also, you will probably guess that if the sun gets even hotter through the year, you might actually fry your plant roots, which will ultimately kill the plant. So you see that the solution actually works. Now let's create it together. So I did not purchase any special corrugated cardboard, I just used the cardboard from packages I received via mail. Just ensure the cardboard is really corrugated. Anything will help, but the insulation won't be as good if it's not corrugated. So now just measure your flower pot. If you have a lot of cardboard as I have, you can simply use a long piece and just cut it later to the correct length. Use it then as a pattern for all of the pots of the same size. Next thing to do is to bend the cardboard so that it can be wrapped around the pot easily. You can either use the edge of a table or use a glass bottle to bend it and make it flexible. Then use some large sticky tape, the one used for packaging, and stick it onto the cardboard. It normally does not matter if the pot is not covered from all sides, because normally the sun won't reach all of the sides. Especially if you put the flower pot on a windowsill, around 60% coverage should be enough. You can now even write on the pot, something you wouldn't have done probably on the fully black pot before. As you see, I have already created a lot of the sun covers for the black flower pots and they work really well. And I think they look quite well also. So what do you think? I'd like to hear your input and experiences with this. So feel free to write it into the comments below. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, I recommend to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!